On this episode of Insider's Look, I tackle the massive outdoor space.
On paper, this space didn't look this big.
Try to bring some modern design to this traditional setting.
Black? Are you nervous?
And have to make some last minute adjustments that I hope will work.
I don't think we have enough furniture.
I'm sharing with you what really goes into bringing the design of the HGTV Dream Home 2020 from a sketch to a reality. I'm at that point of the design where it's time to make some decisions about the outdoor spaces. When I took my first trip to Hilton Head Island, I noticed there's not a lot of modern or contemporary homes. And I really want that, so we're gonna bring some modernism and some contemporary touches to the outdoors.
I think that the navy blue is all we need to tie in that exterior of the house.
Hey, thank you.
So this is the outdoor architectural plan, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is your pool deck area.
And this is where I plan to go super duper modern. Everything around the pool is gonna be really simplified, very straight lines, like remarkably simple. Right. So I see pavers going all the way around, almost like in an L shape. They'll be square with faux turf growing between them.
Nice.
So the back of the house is gonna be a low country cottage, but everything right here is straight up modern. Like minimal, clean, modern, tight line.
So this whole back is just all marsh. You don't have a lot to deal with here.
That marsh view is so layered and so beautiful.
It is.
I love the idea of something really calm and simple with that gorgeous view out back. And as far as the furniture selection goes, where do we stand on that?
So I just need a count from you. This is everything that you've selected so far. We just need to determine the quantities of everything for what we have space for.
I don't think we have that much space to fill.
No, it doesn't look like it at all.
No, so I think 3 loungers.
Okay.
Just 2 Adirondack chairs should be enough right by the fire pit. Mm-hmm. And then over in the outdoor kitchen area, I think all we need is 1 round table and 4 chairs, and we've got plenty of furniture. Plus, there's a pool. We're not gonna put any furniture in the pool.
No.
So I think we're in good shape.
Perfect.
My new favorite room.
I know this isn't finished, but this is definitely the most incredible backyard we've ever done.
It is unbelievable, like seriously.
It feels like we brought like the Hollywood Hills to Low Country. We've got the traditional style house, this glamorous poolside
Crazy
landscaping.
contemporary for you.
Yeah, it's such a nice juxtaposition. It makes the yard.
It does. It's huge, by the way. So much bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
Same here. We went back and forth with the colors. Are we gonna do aqua or are we gonna do black? I say we're going with black.
Black? Are you nervous?
No, because it's gonna be pebble pool, so
Okay.
it's gonna have the aggregate stone.
Right.
And once all that's black, that means the still water on top is just gonna work as a mirror. So that house is gonna reflect. And then also, from this vantage point, that will reflect.
Nice.
So it's like one huge yard mirror.
Okay, fine with your yard mirror.
On paper, this space didn't look this big.
No, it didn't. Mostly, this is way more than I thought it was gonna be.
I don't think we have enough furniture.
I'm a little nervous.
No, seriously. I seriously thought like this is all we had.
I know. This is a bonus over here.
I know. So I think we definitely have to order more outdoor furniture.
Okay. What do you want to get? Like a couple more loungers for this
Yeah.
side? And then,
I think 3 loungers, maybe a few more Adirondack chairs around the fire pit.
Okay. Should we add bar stools here on the side? Maybe. We can try.
Let's try it.
Let's see what we find.
I have a great team. We get along great, and we're always on the same page. It's time to put the spaces together and find out, fingers crossed, if everything we ordered was enough to fill the space.
Imagine that sofa over there. Ooh, girl. Oh, those look nice. Let's try going perpendicular. I think the 3 of these should go out by the marsh.
Is that the optimal marsh viewing spot?
It's amazing.
I finally came up with a layout that I like. And it only took my team a few hours or days or maybe almost a week, but it looks good. That's all that matters, is that it looks good.
We were able to create all of these different zones out back. There are loungers right next to the pool. We've got a really comfortable pair of rope chairs next to the fire pit. We even added 2 swivel chairs near the retaining wall. Then there's informal dining right next to the kitchen with a round table and 4 chairs. There was even enough space to bring in a whole another 3-seater sofa and a coffee table. Plus, we added seating to the kitchen bar. We also put together this one space we're calling the Marsh Viewing Area, and it's got Adirondack chairs and hammocks, and it's like the best view on the entire property. I'm really thrilled with how the backyard turned out. I think making the decision to add contemporary and modern lines around the pool area really make the house different, and the weather's so beautiful, it's a year-round outdoor space. Want to see more of my design come together? Head to hgtv.com/HGTV Dream Home.